Today we're making sweet Italian sausage. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today I am making an Italian sausage, and the why part of this is really important because of how the recipe comes about. We are using pork. The reason we are using pork is because I was making a recipe with lamb, or I was going to make a recipe with lamb, and I could not find ground lamb. Okay, so I had to make this recipe because it was for something fairly important, but without the ground lamb I didn't know what I was going to do, so I bought the pork, thought I could substitute it. Turns out at one of my really small grocery stores in town, they had ground lamb, just perfect. But now I already had bought the pork. So what would I do with it? Well, I came up with this recipe. First I found parts of it, didn't like it, messed around with it, and it works out really well. Okay, so let's get started. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description. There are a lot of them. I'm telling you this right now. They're not anything strange that you won't have, but they're not going to flash up on the screen because there are a lot of them. So I'm going to put in my mixer. You can do this by hand. You do not have to have a mixer. I'm just doing it in a mixer because it's going to be much faster. I'm going to put my pork in. Then we're going to add our spices. While that's going, we'll add sugar, paprika, red pepper flakes, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, basil, thyme, oregano, fennel seeds, black pepper, and that was freshly ground black pepper, parsley, and I'm using malt vinegar. You can use red wine vinegar, it is up to you. We're going to let this go and have it thoroughly mixed. You should see that everything is combined. Now, you can put this into a glass bowl, you can put it into a plastic bag, you could actually wrap it in plastic. Now, I know that I'm going to be forming mine into patties. It smells really good. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press it together. You can go ahead and form this into the patties now, or you can wait, it is up to you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the refrigerator, or you can put it into the freezer, and I'm going to leave it there for 6 to 12 hours. Alright, our sausage is done. Let's give this a taste. I mean, that's super good. It has those, what I consider Mediterranean taste to it. This is super good. I'm actually surprised at how good it is. It's spicy. Now the cool part about this is you can add as much heat or as little heat as you want by adjusting the red pepper flakes, doing whatever you want to it, because this is your food. This is a cool thing. Customize it the way you want. It is so good. Now if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. Now you know what to do with ground pork if you ever get some and have no use for it. I love this. I'm going to be making this a lot. I hope you do make this, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.